Hey everyone, it's Zane. I'm so excited to have you here today. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Today we're talking about something that affects us all: aging. It's a natural process, but there are ways to manage it. We want to age gracefully and look our absolute best at every age. It's about feeling good inside and out. I'm talking about taking care of our skin, which is our body's largest organ and needs special attention. Our bodies through regular exercise and a balanced diet, and our minds by staying positive and reducing stress. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to youthful skin and a healthy glow, stick around, let's get started. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's start with the golden rule of skincare sunscreen. It's not just a summer essential, it's a year-round necessity. And no, I don't just mean when you're at the beach. Sunscreen should be part of your daily routine, no matter where you are. We're talking every single day, rain or shine, indoors or outdoors. Whether it's cloudy, rainy, or sunny, those UV rays are always present. Sunscreen acts as a protective shield against the sun's harmful UV rays, which break down collagen and accelerate aging. It helps prevent sunburn, skin cancer, and premature aging. Invest in a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 and apply it generously every morning. Make it a habit, just like brushing your teeth, to ensure your skin stays youthful and healthy. Next up, we have another skincare essential moisturizer. Everyone needs moisturizer, even if you have oily skin. It keeps your skin hydrated and happy. Proper hydration means a stronger skin barrier, less irritation, and a plumper appearance. Find a moisturizer that works for your skin type and apply it morning and night after cleansing. Now let's talk about cleansing. Opt for a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser that removes dirt and makeup without disrupting your skin's natural balance. Cleanse your face twice a day, once in the morning and once at night, to keep your skin clean and healthy. We've covered the basics: sunscreen, moisturizer, and gentle cleansing. Now let's talk about preventative skincare. Incorporate antioxidants like vitamin C into your routine to fight off free radicals and protect your skin. Look for serums or moisturizers that contain vitamin C and apply them in the morning before your sunscreen. Let's talk about the delicate skin around our eyes. Start using an eye cream early on to hydrate, reduce fine lines, and brighten dark circles. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, peptides, and caffeine. Apply your eye cream morning and night by gently tapping it around the orbital bone. Get your beauty sleep. During sleep, our bodies go into repair mode, regenerating skin cells and producing collagen. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night to allow your skin to rejuvenate. Trust me, those extra Z's will make a world of difference in how you look and feel. Now let's talk about what you're putting into your body. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can do wonders for your skin. Antioxidant-rich foods help fight off free radical damage, while healthy fats keep the skin plump and hydrated. Nourish your body from the inside out with a healthy and balanced diet. Regular physical activity benefits your skin too. Exercise increases blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. It also helps flush out toxins, contributing to clearer, healthier skin. Find an activity you enjoy and aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week. Let's move on to some targeted skincare ingredients. Retinol, a derivative of vitamin A, increases cell turnover and stimulates collagen production. It helps reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and hyperpigmentation. Start slowly and gradually increase your usage as your skin builds tolerance. As we age, our skin produces less hyaluronic acid, leading to dryness and dehydration. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant that attracts and retains moisture. Look for serums or moisturizers that contain hyaluronic acid and apply them after cleansing. Ceramides help to lock in moisture and protect your skin from environmental damage. Hyperpigmentation can make us look older than we are. Vitamin C brightens the complexion and fades hyperpigmentation. Niacinamide inhibits melanin production, and AHAs like glycolic acid help remove dead skin cells. Use these ingredients to achieve a more even skin tone. Don't forget your neck and hands, they age too. Extend your skincare routine to your neck and décolletage and apply sunscreen and moisturizer. Use a hand cream with moisturizing ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin. True anti-aging goes beyond just the products we use. Regular exercise increases blood flow and delivers oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. Eat plenty of antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables, healthy fats and lean protein. These nutrients provide your skin with the building blocks it needs to stay healthy and youthful. Stress can take a toll on our skin by releasing cortisol, which breaks down collagen and elastin. Find healthy ways to manage stress, like exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. And don't forget the importance of sleep to allow your skin to repair itself. As we age, our skin produces less oil, making it more prone to dryness. Look for richer moisturizers with ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and glycerin. Ceramides repair and strengthen the skin barrier, preventing moisture loss. Hyaluronic acid and glycerin attract and retain moisture, keeping the skin plump and hydrated. There are in-office treatments that can address specific signs of aging. Chemical peels exfoliate the skin, reducing fine lines and hyperpigmentation. Laser treatments use targeted beams of light to stimulate collagen production and promote skin rejuvenation. Different types of lasers target different layers of the skin. One of the most noticeable signs of aging is a loss of volume in the face. Hyaluronic acid attracts and retains moisture, giving the skin a plumper appearance. Peptides stimulate collagen production and improve skin elasticity. Incorporate these ingredients into your skincare routine to restore lost volume. Collagen and elastin keep our skin looking firm and youthful. Retinol stimulates collagen production, and antioxidants protect collagen and elastin from free radical damage. Peptides act as building blocks for collagen and elastin, helping to stimulate their production. Protect and stimulate collagen and elastin to maintain youthful skin. Exfoliation removes dead skin cells and reveals brighter, smoother skin. Chemical exfoliants like AHAs and BHAs dissolve the bonds that hold dead skin cells together. Physical exfoliants like scrubs and brushes physically slough away dead skin cells. Use exfoliation to achieve a more radiant complexion. Hormonal changes can impact our skin, leading to dryness, thinning, and increased sensitivity. Adjust your skincare routine with products formulated for mature skin. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid and peptides to combat dryness and stimulate collagen production. Sleep is crucial for skin health, especially as we age. During sleep, our bodies go into repair mode, regenerating skin cells and producing collagen. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night to allow your skin to rejuvenate. Makeup can enhance our natural beauty, but use it wisely. Opt for lightweight, hydrating formulas that won't settle into fine lines. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly, and apply it with a damp sponge or brush. Set your makeup with a light dusting of powder to prevent creasing. Confidence is key. Embrace your age and the journey that brought you here. Don't be afraid to let your natural beauty shine through. True beauty comes from within. Stand tall, smile often, and let your inner light radiate. Aging is a privilege, not a curse. Embrace it with grace, confidence, and a whole lot of self-love. Aging gracefully is a journey, not a destination. Take care of your skin, body, and mind and make healthy choices. Embrace your age with confidence and love the skin you're in. You've got this. Now go out there and age gracefully, my friends.